was that scary sound.
What was that?
It was a tiger behind you. A tiger was behind you. There's a tiger behind you. No. There was a tiger behind you. I could hold my breath for a super long time. You know what, Uncle J? Uncle J.
Mm-hmm.
You know what?
What?
I could hold my breath for a super long time.
For how long?
Maybe 30 seconds. Count to 30.
One.
No,
Right?
no. After I hold my breath, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17. You made it to 17.
That was a long time, right?
Yeah, it was a long time.
17 seconds. My watch is super slow. Whoa, it's 12:16. How could that clock time change really fast? The pig wants to get out of the cage. I pangooed.
Not again.
I did not pangoo. Oh, what are those buttons and switches there for?
They make the chair vibrate, but don't make it vibrate because we did it before and I think he's tired of it.
Oh. And then what do this? Like there's a music note with that switch. You don't want to London, just to